Association of Automobile Workshops Kerala, General Session of 38th State Conference of AAWK, inaugurated by Sri Radhakrishnan, Minister of Devaswam Department, Cooperative Department Minister Sri V.N. Vasavan Kerala, Assembly Speaker Sri Shamsir, Ramya Haridas MP, K. Babu MLA, Film Actor Jairaj Warrior, ASR, a General Secretary Sri Biju Partsland congratulated. Sri K.K. Divakaran, Chairman, Welfare Board, inaugurated the All India Convention, which was held in conjunction with the state conference. The senior state district unit leaders of the organization and various leaders including Mr. Janardanan of the PERUMBAVOOR unit were felicitated in the Navadana Nayak Sangam held in conjunction with this Auto Expo of more than 200 companies, and then a grand demonstration rally attended by 50,000 automobile workshop members, followed by a coupon draw. AAWK PERUMBAVOOR unit committee member Paulus Thothwak won the first prize of the district-level Royal Enfield Bullet in the draw. AAWK Ernakulam District President Sri Baby Urpai, State Exhibition Committee member Sri John M. Raj, PERUMBAVOOR Unit President Sri Binoy, Secretary K.J. Eldos and Treasurer Benny congratulated the prize winner. The blindfolded engine setup was very impressive as part of the assembly. Organized All India Conference, General Conference, Delegate Conference, Automotive Expo, seminars, sports competitions, technical competitions, vehicle-free service camp, blood donating camp, art programs by students. The city of Thrissur was filled with a huge crowd of AAWK. The members also did not forget to take a happy selfie before the Auto Expo. December 1st was observed as AAWK Flag Day. PERUMBAVOOR unit accepted the vehicle advertisement Jada held ahead of the state conference. Mr. K.G. Gopakumar as the state president, Mr. Nasser Kalakad as the state secretary, Mr. Jolly Varghese as the state joint secretary, Mr. Sudhir Menon as the state treasurer, and Mr. Sivanandan as the chairman of the arbitration committee were elected as the state president of the organization for the year 2023-26. After the meeting, AAWK members from different districts returned with joy and happiness, singing and dancing.